Hi friends, my name is K. Lakshmi Sairam. I am studying in 9th class at Gopi Krishna High School. Today I am here to explain about number system. So first of all, I will explain what is a number system. So number system is nothing but the system which we are using for expressing the numbers are called number system. Means so we are expressing the numbers in different ways, right? So which system you are using for expressing is the number system. Now, so in what ways we will use number system, in which types, like that today I will explain. Okay, the first type in the number system to express the numbers is are natural numbers. Okay, natural numbers. So natural numbers are nothing but the numbers which we are using for counting in our daily life. Okay, in our daily life we are using the numbers for counting, and that numbers we can say as natural numbers. Okay. Which we are using for counting are called natural numbers. Okay, now take example like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, like that, so on for infinity. Okay, we are counting in our daily life. That numbers are called as natural numbers. Okay, take example 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and so on infinity. And these natural numbers are denoted by the letter n. Okay, these natural numbers are denoted by the letter n. Okay, and now the second type in the number system is whole numbers. So whole numbers are nothing but same to like natural numbers which we are using for counting, but one number is included in that. Okay. Whole numbers. So whole numbers are nothing but the numbers which we are using for counting and starting from 0 onwards. Okay, we can say as the group of natural numbers including 0. The group of natural numbers including 0 are called whole numbers. The group of natural numbers including 0 are called whole numbers. So whole numbers is starting from 0 onwards, like for example take 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and so on infinity. These are the example, and the word denoted by whole numbers is W. Okay, so we can denote whole numbers with the letter W. And next we are going to explain our the third type in number system, which is integers. So integers are nothing but group of natural numbers, whole numbers, including negative numbers. Okay, let's see what the negative numbers and what is the definition and so on of integers. Okay, now third type is integers. So integers are nothing but the group of both the set of both positive numbers and negative numbers is called integers. Positive numbers we know that is starting from 0 onwards means whole numbers, 0 to and infinity so on means in that positive numbers we have natural numbers and whole numbers, and it is included, the one which is included in integers is negative numbers. Okay, the set of positive numbers and negative numbers, the set of positive numbers and negative numbers are called integers. Are called integers. Now let us take the example. Take a number line. So in that number line middle we can write as 0. this integer number line, and at the right side of 0 we have all positive numbers, means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 1 is neither positive or neither negative. And here we are in the 0 to left corner we have all negative numbers, means -1, -2 and -3. So in that negative numbers we observe that the first negative number -1 is the greatest of all. Okay, the highest negative number, which is infinity and so on, is the lowest negative number, like that it will come as. Okay, so I think you understand very well. Integers are denoted by the letters I or Z. Okay, denoted by the letters I or Z. Okay, so this is about integers. Now let us discuss about rational numbers. So rational numbers is nothing but we can write natural numbers, whole numbers and integers. So don't think that integers are different, natural numbers are different, whole numbers are different. So in that integers also we have whole numbers, natural numbers. Again one new is included, negative numbers. But in rational numbers we have natural numbers, whole numbers and 3 integers. These 3 combine to form rational numbers. Like that also we can say. But in the P by Q form, let us explain briefly. Now let us see about rational numbers. So rational numbers are nothing but the numbers which we can write in the form of P by Q. P by Q means, let us take example of 1 by 2. So 1 is P and 2 is Q, like that in the by form, in dividing form. Okay, 1 by 2, it is in the form of P by Q. So it is a rational number. Let us explain briefly. The numbers which we can write in the form of P by Q, where P and Q are integers, and Q is not equal to 0, means P and Q. So even we can write P as -2 because it is an integer. Here we can write P by Q only in the form of integers, means we can write negative numbers or positive numbers, but they are integers. But Q is not equal to 0, means we cannot write as 3 by 0, because here they asked to not to write Q is not equal to 0, means Q should not be 0. Okay, so example we can tell as, so 3 by 5 minus 2 by 3, so 1 by 2 and 3 by 2, like that, so on, etc. Okay, we can write in the form of P by Q. Okay, so this is about rational numbers. So let's discuss about irrational numbers. So irrational numbers are nothing but just which we can't write in the form of P by Q, nothing but which we can't write. Here we should add just can't write, which we can't write in the form of P by Q, where P by Q are integers, P, Q are integers, Q is not equal to 0, means. So let us take example of root 2. Root 2 we can't write in the form of P by Q because 2 is not a perfect square. But take an example of root 4. So root 4 we can write as 2 square, right? So means 2 square means 4. 4 is in the form of P by Q, we can write 4 by 1 or 2 square. So these are irrational numbers, root 2. But these root 4 or root 6, which is perfect squares, are rational numbers. Now take another example, pi. So pi also is an irrational number only. Okay, these are some examples of irrational numbers, and both these natural, whole and integers, rational, irrational, together all should be written in real numbers. The numbers which consist of these, all the numbers are called real numbers. Means real numbers. So the last one we have to discuss is real numbers. Real numbers are nothing but the set of both rational and irrational. Both rational and irrational. Those is the set of both rational and irrational numbers are called real numbers. Here you can ask one doubt. So means natural whole integers are all, I said it's the real numbers, but you can written here only rational and irrational. What are rational numbers? So integers are a part of rational numbers. Whole numbers are a part of rational numbers. Natural numbers are a part of rational numbers. Means we can write as group of these three numbers are rational numbers. Again, this irrational would be not part of any natural or any whole numbers. Irrational number cannot be part of these four numbers. Okay, irrational is separate and rational is separate. Rational we can write natural, whole, integers, these three, and irrational is the only separate one. Both these natural numbers they consist group rational numbers and this group irrational number together to write as real numbers. For more explanation, for understanding, so I will draw one diagram. Here in the circle we can write as natural number, the first number, and here in the circle we can write as whole numbers, right? And again we can write integers. Again these three group together form as rational numbers. By the letter Q. And what are irrational numbers? The irrational numbers are separate from these numbers. Means again in the different circle we can write Q dash. Okay, this is separate and the rational numbers are separate, irrational numbers are separate. So irrational number can be denoted in the form of Q dash. Real numbers means the union of both this. Okay, means Q, U, Q dash. U means union. Both this union of rational and irrational are called real numbers. Now real numbers, see once. They consist of both natural, integers, rational and irrational together forms real numbers. Okay, now we will understand clearly, but we cannot say all whole numbers are natural numbers, all integers are natural numbers, we can't say. Okay, because in integers whole numbers, natural numbers are included. In whole numbers, natural numbers are included in whole numbers, and in rational numbers, integers, whole numbers, natural numbers, these three are included. Okay, and in real numbers both natural, whole, irrational, integers and rational, these total numbers are included. This is about number system. Okay friends, this is about number system. Okay, bye friends, next meet in the next video. Okay, bye.